Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2021 on a 21 plate Audi Q3 S line 35 TFSI in Chronos Grey metallic paintwork. Now this vehicle is an approved used car, so it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the first part of this video, let's take a full 360-degree tour around this Q3. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. We also have these stunning 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels, and these really complement this grey paintwork very nicely and make the vehicle look extra sporty. And standing back, we do have the roof bars, which are perfect for those roof boxes and bikes, making this car more versatile than ever. And we also have the privacy glass on this vehicle, which means that any rear occupants are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are well hidden from view. Now we do have 3 spacious rear seats. The outer 2 do come with ISOFIX points, and they do also fold 40-20-40, which means you can get those skis nice and easily through the centre there. We also have as well the rear armrest with the twin cup holders, making life ever more comfortable for those in the back. Now looking to the rear, we have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible no matter what time of day. We also have the electrically operated tailgate there, and once opened you can see there's plenty of space in there, so you can get those suitcases for that weekend away. And you can also get those golf clubs in there. And once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger items in there, such as a bike. And once you take the parcel shelf out as well, that gives you a cavernous loading area in the back of this Q3. Now coming inside, you can see there's plenty of high quality materials on display inside this stunning SUV. So we do have this gloss black trim around the dashboard. And then to the left of that, we do have as well this brushed aluminium trim here, which looks really smart and complements the black interior very nicely. And we do have as well the front sport seats with the S embossed logo, and they are in pulse cloth and twin leather upholstery. We also have the under thigh support there, which is perfect for those longer journeys, and this just makes it ever more comfortable. So that completes our initial 360-degree walk around of this 2021 Audi Q3. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this Q3 at some of the technology that's on offer in this stunning SUV. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors there, which are perfect for those tighter parking spaces and means you aren't going to knock those lovely mirror caps. And we have as well this 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which looks really smart and feels really nice to hold. And on the left, we've got the buttons there for the Audi Virtual Cockpit, which is the digital dash screen behind the steering wheel there. We also have our cruise control below that with our speed limiter, perfect for those longer drives as well. And we do have on the right there the volume controls. We have our ski track, and we also have our voice control and our telephone as well. And here is the Audi Virtual Cockpit, which is that digital dash screen, and you can flick through different menus such as your vehicle settings, your radio, your telephone, as well as your navigation. And you can also change the size of those dials on there as well to make it feel truly personalised. Well, looking over to the centre here, we have the central infotainment screen, which is a touch screen, and we've got options on there such as our digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. We've got our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We have our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We also have our map display there with our navigation, which can mirror the virtual cockpit display. We also have there our phone apps, so you can connect to the car via Apple CarPlay, which means you can use things such as your Spotify or Siri, and this means you don't have to take your eyes off the road and it's a more familiar layout to yourself. We do have as well in our car setting there the Audi Drive Select, so if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you fancy more of an engaging and dynamic drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic mode and it responds accordingly. So it adjusts the drive system and the steering there. You can also change this for yourself as just seen in individual mode. So below that, we've got our dual zone climate control there for the front, which means that both front passengers can be completely different temperatures should they choose. And this means it's nice and comfortable for everybody in the car, no matter what the temperature is outside. We do have as well down there our manual adjustment for the radio volume there. And you can also seek track and turn it off altogether. And then we've got there the 2 USB-C sockets, perfect for charging those more modern mobile devices. And this vehicle does have the S Tronic automated gearbox, so you can nudge it down into drive there and across into a manual mode there, which gives you the ultimate driving experience and makes it feel extra sporty and extra special. And when you put it in reverse, you do also get the rear parking sensors come on as well. We've got twin cup holders with space for your phone in the centre, alongside a 12-volt socket there for any accessories. And then we have as well this sliding centre armrest here, which can also be fixed at several different positions, meaning it's always comfortable in the Q3. And under that, we've got some storage space there, perfect for your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view. So that completes our look today at this 2021 Audi Q3. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.